How to use Strava app tutorial for beginners. So here's a guide to help you get started with this Strava app. So first is of course to download the app and set up your account. It says here to join for free. You can also log in if you already have an account, obviously, but just go ahead and press and join for free and put in your email, or you can go ahead and continue with Google. So agree with the terms and conditions. And once you have your account logged in, just go ahead and start recording your activity. So tap on the record button, which is the main thing you are going to be using when you have Strava, and just go ahead and allow alarms and reminders for this, for more continuous reasons, of course. Allow access for location to actually have it follow you while using this app. Choose your foot sports. Maybe you want run, trail run, walk, wheelchair, cycle sports. That pretty much depends on what you're doing. So let's just go with the usual walk or maybe run. Again, depends on you. You can also allow this to access your physical activity. But once you've done that, you can just go ahead and start the run. So once you start running and start walking, just go ahead and press on the start. You can look at your time, your average speed, as long as you activated the physical activity on your phone, and then of course the distance. So once you start walking, that should change. And there's also maps over here. There is groups and the U option where you can look at your own profile. You can look at your status, your progress over here, your goals, your training log. You can also start a free trial if you'd like, but you also have the homepage here where you can look at people and their posts and news about the app. There's also notifications over here where you can allow if you'd like, and there's messages over here. You can talk to different people, maybe your friends, and you can search for friends over here. You can go to contacts, your QR codes, your Facebook. You can look at clubs and location. The clubs gives you access and an opportunity to join other people with the same style and what they want to do as well. As you can see, you can look at other people's achievements. But anyways, that's pretty much all for the basics of Strava. So if you want to learn more about this app, you can just go ahead and use it from there. You'll be able to learn by actually using the app. But hopefully this video does help you. And if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all. Thank you.